So we're starting again in side control. To get an underhook, I need to flatten her head to the mat. So I'm going to straighten my right leg and drive my shoulder into her chin. This is pinning her. Now I can grab onto her to fight for this underhook as I look up. Now I'm going to drop my head again and connect my hands again. Next step is to get to mount, so I need to bring my right knee to her hip, step nice and wide, and curl around her other hip. When I drop my knee, I'm going to drive my arm up really hard, getting an under jab. Boom. My head is always low, my chest is low on her face, and now I get up to a nice high mount. Okay, so we're here. My hand is directly over her scalp, and my other hand is deep in her armpit here. My bicep is around her tricep. My chin is on her forearm. This is all closing her in and holding her where I want her to be. I should be able to hold her here pretty firm. Now I'm going to slide my left knee up really high, the side that's on her arm, really, really high. Now I'm going to lift up so I can dig my hand under, and now I am grabbing the side of the neck and the chin. Can dig really easy for an underhook here. Pull it to me. Now I'm pulling with both hands, and I have a lot of room to go to S mount. So we're starting in our S mount. I have a grip on her head, and I had a grip really deep on her tricep here. So this is the grip. I want her looking like sad. Doesn't look good. It feels painful, and I can tell. But this is great for me, because I imagine that it's not my lovely, sweet little girlfriend. It's a mass murderer that I'm trying to stop from killing the rest of the village. So I have to imagine that when I'm killing this person or breaking their arms. So my weight is heavy, and I'm controlling this grip, both grips, really tight to my chest. If she had a knife right here and she was trying to stab me, no way. If there was a knife in this hand, no way. I'm trying to just control. So submission 1 here is this razor lock. I just like to pinch really tight with my head to my shoulder and pull my knuckles to my face, or to my chest, right on the elbow. That should be good enough. If I needed to, I'd take this hand out and go here. But I want this grip for now. So the next submission is grabbing the hand here, pulling it to me. Again, I can armbar, or I can go over for my walk away, my favorite. So I just step over the head. I break the arm. She taps or I break it, and I can just get up and walk away.